Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think this is a big ABC correction. If this right here is the end of an ABC correction, I think there's a very good likelihood that this is actually just going to end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably going all the way down and taking out these lows because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction. So let's take it down to the weekly and switch back to the FXCM dollar index, which is the one I do prefer to use. I do still think that this move down is more likely a wave 1, but it possibly is an A. I still think this is 3 ways up, more likely a wave 2, but possibly a wave B. Definitely turned at the 38% Fibonacci retracement level. I still think that this is still going down and that this move up is nothing more than a correction to the downtrend, and it's going to go down to either make a wave C, which would look like that, or if it's a wave 3, then it'll just keep making lower lows, lower highs to make that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame, which is exactly what it would do if this really is the end of an ABC correction. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now we do have impulsive down. I still think it's a 1. I still think this is a 2. I think this is probably more likely like a 1 of 3, and this is a correction like a 2 of 3. And I still believe this is going to end up going down for a wave 3 of wave 3. We do have federal funds rate news coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, so I think that's a very good time where this is actually going to end up continuing the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is where you can see the higher highs, higher lows for this move up, which is most likely a wave A. We still haven't broken structure to the downside, but it does look like it is going to break structure down today, probably for a B. And then tomorrow, we're going to have to see what the market looks like pre-news, but it kind of seems like maybe it's going to do like a spike reversal and end up making a spike reversal for the wave C and maybe end up continuing the downtrend from there. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this line right here represents when the news is coming out tomorrow. So whatever happens between now and then is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news. I still think that it is going to go down. It is going to break structure. And it probably is going to make some sort of a correction like a wave B. And like I said, I think there might be a good chance it does like a spike reversal at the news and ends up going down like that. Probably the spike reversal will be the wave C. And then after that, it will end up continuing the downtrend. So like I said, we do have a decent amount of time until the news comes out, so we're really going to have to see what it looks like pre-news to get a good determination about exactly what's going to happen at the news. But luckily, I will be live streaming for that news event, so hopefully I'll see everybody then. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.